Hello, 5th graders. Welcome to lesson 8.6, Finding Perimeter. Let's get started. Today's objective is I can evaluate the perimeter of a rectangle with whole numbers or fractional side measurements by using a formula to calculate with 100% accuracy in multiple attempts. Please pause to type the I can and by statement in your digital math notebook now. All right, friends, perimeter is a measurement that we talk about when we're talking about shapes. Perimeter is the measurement or distance around a shape. When we focus on perimeter, we're usually talking about rectangles or squares, and we know that rectangles and squares have 4 sides. So the perimeter of these shapes, we would combine all of those sides. So here's an example. Pretend that this box is a sandbox, and you're going to walk along the outside. We'll start right here. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to turn the corner and count 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to turn the corner and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then one last time, 1, 2, 3. Now we would get the perimeter by adding all of those together. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Let's continue on. Perimeter can also be found with a formula. The formula would be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. That would be the same as saying perimeter is length plus width, just like we just did. Except we took the widths and we put them together, and we took the lengths and put them together, and we multiplied by 2 instead of adding. So you can see the formula 2 times length plus width. Let's try this together in a problem. It says, Rachel built a rectangular shed in her backyard. She will use the shed to store her bicycle and lawnmower. The shed has a length of 9 feet and a width of 6 feet. What is the perimeter of Rachel's shed? So we have a length of 9 and a width of 6. So that would look like this. 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6. Let's see if we can group that a little bit better. How about 2 times, that's touching, that means they're times, 2 times 9 plus 6. Let's see if we get the same answer. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 6 plus 6 is 12. And 18 plus 12 equals 30. Now let's see if we do it the other way. 9 plus 6 is 15. So that would be 2 times 15 gives us 30. So we got the same answer both ways that we did it. Type this into your digital math notebook now. All right, friends, time for our lesson activity. Perimeter is really easy when we have whole numbers, but when we add fractions into the mix, we got to bring back our fraction skills. So if we're going to do perimeter equals 2 times the length plus the width, then that is going to be 2 times 8 and 1/3 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. And then we'll add the 1/3 on the end. So we have 2 times 13 and 1/3. Well, I see a mixed number that needs changing to an improper fraction. So 13 times 3, we'll do that to the side because I'm multiplying times the bottom, and then I'll add to the top. 13 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 1 times 3 is 3, plus the 1 on top gives me 40. So this would be 2 over 1 times 40 over 3. 2 times 40 is 80, and the 3's on the bottom. Now, 80 thirds is improper, so before we're done, we need to divide to simplify. 3 goes into 80, 3 goes into 8, 2 times, which is 6, left over with 2, bring down the 0. 3 goes into 20, 6 times, which is 18, left over with 2. So that means that our perimeter, after all that work, is 26, and there's a leftover of 2, and our denominator is 3. So the perimeter all the way around will be 26 and 2/3 meters. That was a lot of work, friends. Great job. When your digital math notebook is complete your exit slip to show your teacher your understanding. Great job.